This morning I woke up in a great mood and I decided to watch a couple of YouTube videos before I headed into work. And I stumbled onto one by Zach's Tech Turf, who I've been watching for a while, like him. A lot of good information. And he's talking about the fact that there are tech companies now that are abandoning gamers. I tend to agree with him based on the fact that we're seeing what's going on with DDR5 RAM pricing that's skyrocketed over the last couple months, and I believe he's 100% on. You're going to see other hardware prices, in my estimation, go higher also as video cards, motherboards, chips, things of that nature. Any rate, this will be my first actual, reaction video, if that's what you want to call it. He says it better than I, a lot more concise as I ramble on an intro here.
Okay, so let's add Crucial to my list. Who is gonna be next? This is officially the list of PC hardware companies that are abandoning PC gamers. Now, just to be clear, I do understand why some companies will make the shift over to AI. I'm not defending their actions, but I do understand that some companies and shareholders have to prioritize profit. But I also think it's important to highlight the companies that do stick around in our PC building industry. I've been saying for months now that I do think Nvidia will stop making gaming GPUs at some point. After we saw the Crucial news, it's starting to feel like that'll become a reality. Companies can make way more money selling B2B because AI companies have way more money than we do. But I think in the 3-ish years from now, when things will hopefully be back to normal, it'll be important to remember which companies didn't abandon us just for profit. It's going to require some serious strategy for the smaller PC companies to stay afloat when they can't source certain components. But I mean, the entire PC hardware industry can't just disappear, right?
Well said, Zach. If you like this video, feel free to like it and subscribe. It helps me out just getting started on YouTube. Appreciate your support. Have a great day.